what do you do on a wet, cold day like today? You know what I do? I stay home, nice and warm, with my little slippers. Very, very warm. Keeps me very warm on a cold day like today. I do this and take out my shoe, but my slipper. But I'm gonna show you guys how well these things. Look how warm they are. Not just women with their lugs, hugs, whatever they are, but these are super nice. Now, you guys get them before they're gone. This is a great gift for birthday, Father's Day, Christmas, pretty much anything. And look at non-slip bottoms. So the inside, super furry, if you guys can see that. So I'm gonna put it back on because it is really cold. So if you guys are looking for something like this, very comfortable walking in or out of the house, but I recommend you just keep it nice and warm. And even if you walk outside to grab the paper or your Amazon boxes, this is perfect. I hope you guys enjoy this video.